While any tangible thing that can be stolen in Texas may be charged under Penal Code Section 31.03 theft, the legislature passed several specialty laws starting with the 84th session that are sometimes called boutique laws, since they apply to very specific items. In this screencast, we'll discuss mail theft. This law was passed in response to the growing use of internet ordering and delivery services and theft of merchandise left on doorsteps. For the purposes of this section, the Penal Code states disabled individual and elderly individual mean a person older than 65. Identifying information means information alone or in conjunction with other information that identifies a person, including their name and date of birth, unique electronic identification number, address, routing code, or financial institution account number, or social security number, or other government-issued identification number. Mail means a letter, postal card, package, bag, or other sealed article that is delivered by a common carrier or delivery service and not yet received by the addressee, or has been left to be collected for delivery by a common carrier or delivery service. A person commits mail theft if he or she intentionally appropriates mail from another person's mailbox or premises without the effective consent of the addressee and with the intent to deprive that addressee of the mail. Mail theft penalties are graded by the number of individual addresses the actor possesses, rather than a dollar amount. A person who possesses items with more than 30 individual addresses, so has stolen from 30 different addresses, has committed a felony of the third degree, regardless of how much value the property in the items is worth. Less than 30 addresses, but at least 10 or more, is a state jail felony, and less than 10 addresses, which includes possession of at least one addressed item, is an A misdemeanor. If it is shown at trial the appropriated mail contained an item of identifying information and the actor committed the offense with the intent to facilitate the Penal Code offense of fraudulent use or possession of identifying information and possessed 50 or more addresses, the offense is a felony of the first degree. If intent to commit fraudulent use or possession of identifying information and possessing less than 50 but more than at least 20 addresses, the offense is a felony of the second degree. The same intent with less than 20 addresses but more than at least 10 addresses is a felony of the third degree. Less than 10 addresses is a state jail felony. With the exception of the felony of the first degree, these penalties are increased to the next higher level if it is shown at trial the actor knew or had reason to believe that an addressee from whom the actor appropriated mail was a disabled individual or an elderly individual. Finally, if conduct that constitutes an offense under this section also constitutes an offense under another law, the actor may be prosecuted under this section, the other law, or both.